Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in your Honda CRV. First, gather your essential tools: a 17mm wrench, an oil filter wrench, a drain pan, and your new oil. Next, warm up your engine for a few minutes. This helps the old oil drain more efficiently. Now, locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan, and position your drain pan directly beneath it. Carefully remove the drain plug and let all the old oil drain out. Once the oil has finished draining, replace the drain plug and tighten it securely. Now, locate the old oil filter, typically near the front of the engine, and use your oil filter wrench to remove it. Be ready for a small amount of oil to spill. Clean the filter mounting surface thoroughly with a rag. Apply a thin layer of new oil to the rubber gasket of your new filter, then hand tighten it until snug, followed by an additional 3/4 of a turn. Now it's time to add the fresh oil. Refer to your owner's manual for the precise oil type and capacity, but typically a Honda CRV uses about 4.4 quarts of 0W20 synthetic oil. Carefully pour the new oil into the engine's oil fill opening. Replace the oil fill cap, then start your engine and let it run for about 1 minute. Turn off the engine, wait 5 minutes for the oil to settle, and then check the oil level using the dipstick. After confirming your oil level is correct, dispose of the old oil responsibly at an authorized recycling center. Don't forget to reset your vehicle's oil life indicator on the dashboard, usually through the multi-information display. This ensures accurate tracking for your next service. For an effortless home, check out the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. You can find a link to this amazing vacuum and other great deals in the description below. Finally, keep a record of your oil change date and mileage for your maintenance history.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.